when I come back from the United States, which was in the early 90s, and I was getting singing lessons still then. I found a hole in the market. I thought there wasn't a singing teacher out there that was really having singing lessons or designing singing lessons for the live singing performer. And that's where I felt there was a big niche. There were lots of singing teachers that just giving singing lessons, but I really wanted to, I felt that I built Vox Singing Academy to fill that niche there that I was wanting, because I ended up pretty much teaching myself. So that's where sort of Vox Singing Academy really came from as well. So that was the start of Vox Singing Academy there. With myself, I started singing when I was in church choir, sort of developed up through that, ended up going over to the States, studied over there, performing over there, coming back here, finding that niche there as well too. Was performing over here as well too when I came back, but I just found myself being getting a lot busier doing the teaching than performing. And I felt my passion was in teaching as well too. I was just naturally led to it, really. So I just really had a passion for teaching and helping people out, helping other singers. And it really just led me down to the path that we're on now. And I've really enjoyed it, which has been the main point. So, I've enjoyed it. I do it because I enjoy doing it more than performing and writing and doing the other things. So, and that's the honest truth behind it. People go, oh, why are you a singing teacher? I do really enjoy it. I love helping people improve their voice and also improve their life. That's really the main point.